Chapter 3 Ickies. Jack opened his eyes. The air was hot and steamy. It looks like we landed in some bushes, said Annie. She was peeking out of the treehouse window. Peanut was peeking out of Annie's pocket. Jack peeked out of the treehouse too. They had landed in a sea of shiny green leaves. Outside there was flowers, bright butterflies, and birds, just as in the book. That's strange, said Jack. I wonder why we didn't land in a tree the way we always do. I don't know, said Annie. But let's hurry and find the things for Morgan so we can get back home before we meet any big bugs. Wait, this seems weird, said Jack. I don't understand why we landed in bushes. I'd rather read about this. Oh, come on, said Annie. We don't even need the weather. We can just climb out the window. Annie put Peanut in her pocket. She stuck one leg out the window. Wait, Jack grabbed Annie's other leg. He read. The rainforest is in 3 layers, thick tree tops open over 150 feet. In the air make up the top layer. This is called the forest canopy. Below the canopy is understory, then the forest floor. Get back in here, cried Jack. We are probably more than 150 feet above the ground in the forest canopy. Ickies, said Annie. She slipped back into the treehouse. We have to use the ladder, said Jack. He got on his hands and knees. He moved the ribs away from the hole in the floor. He looked down. The ladder seemed to fall between the branches of a giant tree, but Jack couldn't see beyond that. I can't tell what's down there, he said. Be careful. Jack put the rainforest book in his backpack. Then he stepped onto the rope ladder. He started down and followed with Peanut in her pocket. Jack pushed through the leaves. He came to the understory below the canopy. He looked down at the forest floor. It was very far away. Oh man, whispered Jack. This world was completely different from the one above the treetops. Now that they were out of the sun, it was cooler. It was also damp and very quiet. Jack shivered. It was the spookiest place he had ever seen.